How are you, Tay? It's been a long time. Hi, Daddy. Good. How are you, Tay? Here now.
Probably not. I've never been to Melbourne.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back
to our channel.
It is 9:55 in the morning, and today is. Oh, that's right,
That's
Lini
right,
girl.
What did you say?
Today is.
If I get it wrong, I'll say it again.
Okay, that's fine.
Sunday.
Namna-check ko siya, guys. So, it is Sunday, and guess what?
We're going to see Road and see Jakey.
Yeah! So, today, nandito na kami sa labas ng SeaWorld. Kaka-park lang talaga namin. Yung usapan namin ay 10 o'clock. So, I'm very happy na hindi kami late. Alam niyo ba, we left early kasi natakot kami sa traffic. Kasi last time nung pumunta kami dito, it took us an hour and 30 minutes. And this time,
an hour and 10 minutes.
do you reckon? 20 minutes?
By the time I got to Southport.
Look at Celine.
Yeah.
Look at Celine.
Hi, Lily!
She's away.
Nakatulog ang ating baby Celine, guys, and she just woke up. Anyways, it's going to be really, really exciting today. Paris, come here. How excited are you, sweetheart, to see Jakey again?
Super excited.
Super excited? What are you gonna do?
We're going to go on a boat to see sharks underwater, which they open their mouth when you go for
Yes.
holiday.
And?
Actually, I thought they were actually going to try to eat us, but there wasn't.
Which one?
The thing, like the shark, which I thought it was going to try to eat us. The shark, when we went on the boat, there was fire.
Nilabas lang ni Daddy Mike yung pram ni baby Celine natin. And then we're going. So we're very excited, guys. Kasi alam niyo ba, we haven't seen Jess and the family for so long. Kasi, umalis kami ng Melbourne December. Tapos hindi kami nagkita before niyan. Kasi nga dumating yung mama tsaka papa niya. So, let's just say we haven't seen each other for a year. Kaya, yeah. Nung sinabi nila na pupunta sila ng Queensland, punta sila dito sa Gold Coast, talagang na-excite kaming lahat. Sabi namin, we'll see you there! Tingnan nyo, ang dalawa, oh. Actually guys, tingnan nyo. Pinag-twinnings ko na naman yan silang dalawa. Uy, have a look. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung suot nila. Lini, how was your nap, nak? Si Lini, how was your nap? Yeah? Good nap? Lululula. Di, panggigil lagi ka na yung manghod, ti.
Oh,
Say hi. Come out na, nak. Bring your bag.
which one?
You only have one bag. Crazy? You're crazy girl? Crazy girl? Nakasuot pa siya ng crown. Nak, are you gonna wear your crown? Yeah? Okay.
If I want to take it off, that's okay.
Okay. Put your, anak be? Put your glasses on. Are you sunnies? We'll see if it looks good. Wow! Uy, nahiwi man. Baby, look mama. Wow! Iba rin, ay. Iba rin. Hi, Lani.
My dreams.
Okay, let's go. Okay, daddy's out now. Uy, very bright. Oh, super bright. Ling Ling! Is this your first time in SeaWorld? Yes! Yeah, kitang-kita naman na. She's very excited.
Say hello, mommy.
Hello! The first time she was here,
Look.
nasa tummy pa yan siya.
Mama.
Nak na? Nasa tiyan ko pa ni Mommy na.
We was here. Remember
Mommy's
we
on the
was here
bus.
and he was in your tummy.
The daddy's on the
What
bus.
is that?
Say, I love
When
you.
Sing was in your tummy here.
That's right, yeah. You were still little. Tingnan niyo ang outfit natin, Paris. Nakbe?
Oh.
Oh, I have to fix you. Is that how you want to carry your bag? Or you want a crossbody? First body? Okay. Like this. Here. Like that. Okay, see?
Alright.
Mommy, hold it.
That's Celine's outfit, the same as Ate Paris' outfit. Show your outfit, Daddy Be. Move a little bit, Daddy. Oh, diba?
Don't take it off.
Don't take it off, anak. Oh, twinnings na naman ang ating mga babies. Ay!
Similar to me.
Oh my God, it makes me so happy.
She looks the same, but similar.
Lilin!
She looks the same, but similar.
Not the same. The same, anak.
Hooray! Hip hip!
The same, different size.
Hooray! Mummy. Hip hip!
Hooray! Who's very excited?
Hip hip!
Hooray!
I'm really excited.
Are you excited? Okay, we'll go now. So that's SeaWorld there now.
Go!
Going down. See if she will. Will you let Mama put that?
Go, lady. Hooray!
Have a look at the Paris. La 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 la. Ah, la 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 la. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Hooray!
Wow.
Say hooray!
Hip,
Hooray!
hooray! Uy,
Hooray!
hip, hip. Hooray!
I want to play statue.
There.
You try and trick me so I can.
Hello.
Huh?
Hey.
She's waving the
Hello.
waving the camera. Waving the camera. Hi, Tita and Tito. It's my first time here in SeaWorld. Yay! Alright, let's go. Baka nandun na sila. Oh, pakita outfit na rin. This is my outfit. Back. Uy, may sakyanan.
Watch out, Mummy.
Okay, let's go. Ayaw doon niyang
I
magpahawak.
want to pretend I'm at school walking by myself.
Ah, okay.
I'm
Para ayaw niyang magpahawak. Kaya nag-pretend daw siya na pupunta na siya ng school. Siya lang mag-isa.
This is the hungry school.
Yes?
I'm just pretending because actually I'm walking by myself. So
Okay. Okay. Good girl. That's a good practice, isn't it? So, SeaWorld it is. Daddy, look. Hi, SeaWorld. After the longest time.
you can take a photo.
Nakapunta ulit dito. I'm not sure if they're here yet.
Take a photo of yourself.
Huh?
Now, when you go in.
Okay, yeah, we will. There, oh, that photo there. Oh.
I'm so excited.
Buying a ticket, guys. So, yung ticket na lang. Pakita natin yung ticket. Ay! Nawala. Dito nila nilagay kanina. Ayan. Ba, yung daily, ay yung ano nila. Ha? Good job, my love.
See?
Mahal din ha. Tignan nyo. One day entry. Ayan, 115 for adult. And then 105 for child. Wow! Sakit din sa bulsa, ha?
Really this.
Thank you.
Good job, my love.
I'm just doing it.
Hi, Lee! And Lee is free. Yung baby ay free. Daddy, with all that, it's like $100 each.
Yes.
And have a look how many people in here. Wow! That's crazy. Okay, we'll message them, okay? We'll tell them we're inside now. Say hi, oh. Say hi, guys. We're in SeaWorld. Ay, bakit na? Say we're in SeaWorld. Oh,
Now.
we're in SeaWorld, guys. Are you excited? Huh? What you gonna do, ate? When you see Jake there? Parang airport lang, guys, ba? Kasi, tingnan nyo dyan, no? Hinihintay namin sila. Dito kami sa harapan kung saan kami nagbili ng ticket. You just have to be patient, that's all, my love. Ha? Super excited lang tong ating baby girl, oy. They'll be here soon.
My name's Rodney.
How are you, Tay? It's been a long time. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Good at it. How are you? Who's that?
Driving, but
You're vlogging our trip. How are you?
Good, how you going?
Good to see you.
you too.
Oh, good. Oh, did you miss me?
Yes.
I missed
Yeah,
you
it's
too.
been, we haven't.
I missed you too. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah. You're so big
I'm
now.
half Filipino now.
Oh, you're half Filipino now?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's
Kumusta?
just yeah. Oh my goodness. Jake is so big now.
Yes, I'm Filipino.
We're good. How are you, Te? This is Jess's mom. Oh, hi. Good afternoon. Kataas mo ni mo ko lang. Kami itong init. Naunsa na lang may anin. Kaya, kumusta, Te? Kumusta, Te?
Yeah, I'm not even a little bit scared of that one. Look, someone's fighting there.
Still here.
Ay, si Ling. Ay, Ling. Yes. Oh, they're here now.
Oh my god, he's just really sketchy. Look,
Probably not.
Big man, big man.
I've never been to
are
Melbourne.
those ones sketchy?
But we drove through them, so came up with 3 bands, started like
How's things done? First up, penguin encounter. Dali mong tao eh. Look who's in the house. Jess is in the house. Finally, guys. Finally, alam niyo ba sabi ni Jess, guys? Exactly 1 year today nung last namin na pagkikita. Di ba?
Exactly.
Meant to be. Hala!
Where's Jack?
Kangit-ngit na to. Wow, here's the penguin there. Oh,
Get away!
here's my Lily girl there. Ling, what can you see? Oh, sorry. Sorry, Pete.
Yeah, they're all up there. There's one. Hello.
There's one coming. Saying hi.
Oh, they're pretty big, I reckon. I thought penguins were smaller. Damn.
Ling. I want to see Celine's reaction.
His head is up.
Say hi.
Say hi. I know, hi. Oh my God. Is he waving to you? Is he waving to you? I know. Oh, have a look. Have a look. He's showing off. Yeah. Asan ang dalawa?
Oh, he's out. He
Yeah.
jumped out.
We can go up there. You can see them up there.
He'll jump back in, watch. Jake, you shouldn't be up there. Come back. Come on.
Uy, tayo, Dave. Ano mo na nagaginawa, no? Saan na nasa yun? Pali. Ano na itong sabotan niya?
Don't climb up, just stay there.
Murag mga mapigurin na ba naman? Look! Have a look! Penguin! I know. You tell them. You tell them.
I don't look like that.
Sea jellies. Sea jellies are more than 95% water. Hi, I'm Dave. I'll be your guide for Sea Jellies Eliminated. Oh, wow. Hoy, mga bata. Hi, you stay with mommy and daddy and nanay, ha? Hoy, ate, stay here, ate. Because it's very dark. You're not gonna see us. Oh, nice. Wow. Looks like flower. Look. I know, right? Do you like it? Ito rin yung dalawa, oo. Holding hands forever. Okay, we're going now. Keep going. La. Layas ng mo. Ah, boo, ling.
Hey,
That's pelican.
Pelican.
Abang na sila tayo. Where next? Ando, have a picture.
Walrus.
Is a dolphin. Is it a dolphin, land? Hmm?
Come on.
Say hi to the dolphin. Hi. Nice.
Jake.
How many
Jake,
na?
There's 3 of them. Look.
There's 4.
Oh. Wow, look. What would you like?
I would like an ice cone.
You want the red one? How about you, Paris?
I want some icy cones and I want an icy cone and some popcorn.
Okay. All right, we'll get it.
But you have to share some because I can't eat them all because I'm on diet.
Yeah, sharing is good. You're on diet?
Yes, so I can.
Oh, you're on diet?
Yes, so I can. So
You're
I
on
can.
diet, Dave?
If you want a slushy, you can get slushy
Dave?
from them too.
He's on diet? Yeah. How much is the popcorn?
$8. We only have souvenir cups at the moment.
Say thank you.
Okay. Yeah, we'll grab one. Thank you. You can share popcorn, okay? Hey, you just share popcorn, okay? Hindi na sila matingaw, guys. Grabe na ilang count ng ice. You know, it's only ice.
Hey, look.
Coloring. Underwater viewing gallery.
Flowers without.
You're doing great there, Jake. Don't crash.
I'm actually putting way too much trust in you.
Without flowers.
Oh! Jack a little bit off.
Here, Jake. Get one more with me.
Baby. Tita mo.
I throw my thing in the bin because it was finished.
Watch out.
Okay, go, keep going, my love.
Don't shake it. Yeah.
Let me hold it.
Ang sinalan na natin?
Kanilangis.
Wala, kailan lagi ka pa na isda, ti.
Tagadagat widay. Kani ma. Kani sa rigunding lami kani sinuko.
Ala.
That's
Oh, look at the stingray, my love.
Shark, it's just a stingray.
Celine. Yes.
Yeah, they can't hear you. Oh, look, the shark.
Whoa. Massive.
Kining kapaingon tayo pagi.
Stingray comes.
Lami kay naglilabog day.
Ah. Oh, gusto ko lang na na. Wow.
Wake up.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Lang, did you see that, Lang?
What's his name?
Did you see it?
They're like together. All each word.
Oh. Look.
Look at that.
Wow. Yeah, it's so big, Ling.
Take your legs right off.
Look,
I know, we'll get it.
Potato will wolf it off.
Look, this one, big one here na. Wow. Unsa man iti? Shark ni siya pero lahi na. Pahaway sa siya di ang gamayo.
Swordfish?
Manaw na niya pictures na.
Gani nag shark sa lida nahi mo na bull shark na hammerhead shark na classic.
Paminaw sa imong inahan ha. Dili ra isa ka type pang shark.
Lami mo ni shark.
Lami ka ni sa bawo no?
No, kana
That's a cool.
pero
Hala, bangga sila.
Just cruise underneath it. If you're not careful, you might go with your bloody nose.
Hey kids, let's go. Let's go here.
Yeah, weird looking things. You've got a mate from
There's
over.
more here.
Okay, let's go. There's more in there. We'll go on the other side.
Yeah, don't bang it, because the water might break in it. Because it might break the glass, and then the shark will come in here and eat.
Oh my god.
And one here. And one here. Let me show you something. What?
Do you like it, Ling? Do you like it? If you're happy and you know it's up your hands.
Dangerous, scared?
Punta kami ngayon sa Lion Theater. Paris is there now, oh, with Jess's mom. Nakita og kuan adopted nga lula. Ah. Ibog yung lula ni Paris ba makita? Ano na niya kung tahawid na Paris.
It's up the brand.
Mike's got it. Yeah.
It's got to stay here.
And joining me, we've got another awesome specialist, Laura, here. Now, more importantly though, Laura, we did just meet Julius.
Paris, careful enough.
He did a great job of recycling.
No.
Do you know where he's gone? Okay, Rockstar. So, you know what? He's in the water, guys. That was really good. Just make a heap of noise and give us a hand. And hopefully this time we have a stop. See, behind him? The door was open. Is he back there? That's not real.
Sam, he's gone into the cave. Don't worry, I've got him. I don't got him.
Okay. Jules! Well, but he's not back here. Laura, what are we gonna do? Okay, we might just start it out. Look up. These guys can see it. Julius! What are you doing over there? Well, how about you stay right there and... He moves. Wait. Oh my goodness, mister! Well, you know what, buddy? How about you bring it on in? That was very cheeky. But how about we give everyone a big wave hello, shall we? And Jules. What was that about? Do you understand that? I don't speak so.
Give it up for a tour, eh? Now, this fella is very young, showing off those beautiful porpoises. There we are, not a bathrobe, I do say so myself.
How about a round of applause for Laura, guys?
And this one's not up to a gym workout, but it looks like Tori's found something besides from that fish, Sam.
Kind of looks like your water bottle. Did you leave that one there?
I would never do such a thing, guys, and I promise my water bottle over again. But thank you so much, Torre. What about Sam? Make sure that goes into the correct bin.
Sounds good. Now guys, seals will play with anything they find. It does include our rubbish. So it is always important to make sure you dispose of your rubbish properly so our beautiful marine lives don't end up ingesting it or becoming entangled. Isn't that right, T?
That's right. Now how about a big wave now that you've made it down this way, handsome fella? And look, Torre does actually have a very unique kind of vocal. So our Australian sea lions are nowhere near as loud as Julius, but T kind of sounds like me after a really big lunch. A little bit of a burp going on there, hey?
Yeah, look, I wasn't going to say anything, right?
Okay, you weren't supposed to agree with me, Sam. Now, these guys, just like Julius, are Californian sea lion. In fact, all of the seals you'll be introduced to today belong to our eared seal family. So you can see they have that rotated rear pelvis, and they can get all four of those flippers in contact with the ground. Also, they are so incredibly strong.
Move quite easily on land. Believe it or not, seals can actually run at the same speed as you and I on land. So if you are ever chased by one of these guys, you just gotta be fast like a friend and then you'll be fine.
And you know what? I am so...
And of course, Boston.
Isa pa kasi mana. Wow, so beautiful. Look it. Look around. Wow, very nice. I love it.
I look more different her.
You look different. Yeah? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Let's catch some.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
This is a different show and the last show. Thunder Lake. Merong show dyan guys. So it's 4 o'clock na ng hapon. And alis na kami after nito. Hi sweetie girl! Prinsesa man ang baby. Oy, giarsa man ay.
That's alright, we just sit here.
I think this is going down front row.
Oh, you're right. Nah, Jess wants to see everything.
I better sit with the wife.
Yeah,
That's alright.
Hi, Shalanga.
Today's going to be awesome. We're going to get out of the water. Okay. What's that over there? What? Where? Oh no! It's the river rat. Are you serious? Oh, that's right.
Na ang ating dalawang mga prinsesa, oh. We're going back to the car now, guys. Si Jess ay pumunta na rin sa sasakyan nila. We are going to the Filipina restaurant na malapit dito. It's 10 minutes drive lang naman. Bili kami ng magkakain. Yes, anak? Oh, come here na. Beautiful hair, ate. Bili kami ng halo-halo. And then we are going back to their hotel.
Let's go because they'll be waiting for us.
Yeah, come on, sweetie girl. Lin Lin, did you have fun, Ning? Yes, this is Gold Coast, anak. Have a look at the helicopter, anak. Time check, guys. It is 6 ng gabi.
And you know what? We're actually at Jakey's house.
Oh, guys, God, look.
There's actually a pool here, which I can see there.
I know. Where are we now?
At Jakey's hotel.
Hotel, yes.
Waiting for them.
So, nandito kami sa hotel nila ni Jess. Sa Surfers Paradise. And, andun sila sa baba. Kasi kakarating na nila. They just gave us the key. But hindi kami papasok, guys. Dito kami sa level, yan yung room nila. Oh, pero, saka na kami papasok pagdating nila. We'll see. We'll ask Tita Jess. Maybe she's got banayad, okay?
Paris, can you dance like Daddy or not? Can you dance like
Go,
Daddy?
go dance with Daddy, go. Dance with Daddy na? Ano. Akala mo mo kiig ni Daddy Mike, oy. Ling, ling. Quick, ginawa ko. You guys, like, tingnan nyo, oh, natatakot pa rin ako, guys. I know, anak.
Are you scared that there's no glass?
Yeah.
Well, there's that. See that?
Ay, pumunta pala kami ng Filipino restaurant doon sa Southport. At ito, pakita natin mamaya ha kung ano yung mga napamili, oh.
Swimming suit, which is this one.
Ayan.
That's for me, for swimming.
Yes, that's Ate Paris' new, ano, pinahin. They're here.
And I got blood on my
No, we're not gonna go in without you. What happened?
I hurt myself when I cut my nose.
What happened, Nay?
I walked in and cut.
Ayan, oh. Rice, skewers. Tanati, oh. Ako pa, pati, oh.
That's my shot.
Leche flan, kuchinta.
Oh well. What, too cold for the kids to swim though? We'll just eat here.
Dai, sa Filipino shops, Dai.
Oh. Ano, pwede siya, ano, sinigang.
Oh. Yan, sinigang man.
Yeah, it's my favourite.
What's the other one? Is it both?
Yeah.
You didn't get bulalo or something?
Well, you told me you didn't want anything, so I was like, you just wanted the desserts. That's why I just got what I like.
And it's only like small portion too, Daddy.
My pub, you will eat.
Babe, talaga. Ling! Lini, nakakita og remote dito. Favorite na niyang remote eh. Gabi na siya magbalay. Remote eh. Wala na. Tingnan niyo tong tatlo, oh. Ang kuya at ate, pinapagitnaan ng kanilang bunso.
What's she talking about?
What are you watching?
He said they'll probably give you the money back. Just get yourself
Yan na, iniba ni Baby Silly.
pay what they owe them. It's all they want. And then they'll return you.
Tingnan niyo sila.
He said they're just fucking slap the baby.
What's that talking about?
Oh shit. It's like a head
Jake! Jake! Yeah, put that on you.
Yan lang yung alam nila, oh. Pagkatapos silang mag-drawing, oh. Tingnan niyo, pinag-iwan ang bahay.
Like I've got 200 grand cash in the Canon M50.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung labas.
Just looking at it sitting there. And
Medyo maginaw na kasi, guys. Oh my goodness. That's the ocean there. So yung mga lights. Oh, sobrang ginaw ng hangin. That's our
I don't
toy.
know what depends on how good the account is and how many fucking deductions.
You right, Lee?
Look, it's always
You're having a bath.
And I'm not done. But Mom, I only exploded that. No one will do that.
Meron pa dyan, guys, oh. Yan, maginaw. Pero ito, very warm.
fun in the pool. How can you get warm?
Paris is calling you. Yeah.
She said she needs you.
Go back.
Oh, careful.
What do you need me
What do you need me for? Lini, this is not your room. Hala, tingnan nyo, oh. Hala, kasaban ni kang Tita Jess. Hala, naagi kasaban ni Tita Jess karon. She borrowed Jake's jacket. Hindi na dala ng jacket, guys. Maginaw sa labos.
It's warm. It's not too hot. Not too hot.
Rinse mo na silang dalawa, oh. Anak ko! Come here! Gusto siya apple.
I got my lipstick, Baba.
Hala, kasabaan ka karoon na, ah. Go!
You want to show us?
Uli pa!
Hey, look, he's doing something.
Puri pa, kasi that's not ours, na. Na. Wala, nagagubot na, oh.
A few moments later.
Stand on the food.
Alright, load me.
Quick.
What?
I hug.
Hag. Dahil na mo yung mahilak gidani sa Canon. We'll see you next time.
Put the jacket on, I'll carry.
See you in Melbourne, Jake. We might visit sometime
Are you
next
going to Melbourne now?
next year.
Next year?
Yes. We might next year.
Okay.
Bye-bye na lang, tita. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Paris.
Linya siya.
Bye.
Thank you for everything, Day.
Which hotel do you live in?
Manting, manting.
Do you live in this hotel? No. Which one? Which one?
Tell Jake where we live now. Okay, Morningside. We live in Morningside.
Here, swimming school and primary school.
It's near this way.